styles to go for this season are straight, split, wide jeans, colors. Okay, for reference guys, I am a Euro 36 USA 4 in Zara in every type of jeans and trousers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a fun and exciting one because जितने भी Zara में latest trends of jeans आए हैं, I bought single pair of them, whatever I could get my hands on. So this summer you don't have to worry कि कौन सी jeans trend में है, कौन सी style ले, कौन सी नहीं ले, how does it look while it's on. So look no further, you have this video to help you out. So I have all the latest trendy pieces from Zara right here. जितने भी ये pieces हैं, if you own like one or two of them and even not from Zara, you'll be sorted. So without wasting any further time, let's get right into the video. So guys, let's start with jeans. So jeans के बारे में obviously everybody knows that skinny jeans are out. So what kind of jeans are in? So first of all, let me show you the basic type of jeans. This is the straight fit jeans and this one has rip. So आपको क्या सर्च करना है, कहीं भी कोई भी साइड पे straight fit jeans. So it's high waisted, it's ripped, it's everything good. Again ripped is also in. So आपको बस सर्च करना है straight fit jeans. So guys, straight fit jeans is a must have this season. I'm not going to be talking about mom fit jeans because वो पहले season से अभी भी continue हुआ है. So yeah, mom jeans is also in. But the things which are new this season, the new styles which you'll see is first straight fit jeans. अगर आपको लगता है कि jeans की दुनिया में सिर्फ high waist, low waist, straight ऐसा होता है, you are so wrong. There is a straight fit jeans. There is slim fit straight jeans, there is slim fit wide jeans. So अगर आपको पता नहीं था कि इस टाइप की जीन्स को क्या बोलते हैं, these are called wide legged jeans. Again this is straight fit but it is wide legged. Again इस टाइप की जीन्स is so in right now. आपने इसको इतने सारे मॉडल्स के ऊपर भी देखा होगा on Pinterest, Instagram, so many places. So I think among everything अगर आपको एक स्टाइल ऑफ जीन्स लेना है which is dressy as well as casual, go for this type of jeans, and I think this is my favorite jeans out of everything. Guys, like I was talking about straight fit wide leg, we also have a straight fit slim leg. Again keyword is slim fit straight leg. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but a thing that's going to be huge is gonna be split jeans. ये तो आप खुद भी कट कर सकते हो. So again like I was saying, slim fit, straight, these are the keywords to go for this season. And अगर इसमें एक slit भी आ गया, slit jeans are gonna be in. Slit jeans in slim fit, slit jeans in parallel fit, slit jeans in any kind of fit, just slit jeans. I think that's gonna be really in.
Again, while talking about slit, we also have.
But यहाँ पे the slit is in front, if you can see. So like I said, slim fit, straight front. Again, I think मैं वही चीज़ें repeat कर रही हूँ, but yeah, I hope you get the gist of it. कि slit is gonna be really in. Guys, मुझे Zara पे cargo fitted jeans नहीं दिखे, that is why I don't have it in my haul. But yes, cargo jeans is also gonna be really in this season. And I've gotten a pair, I think मैंने वो haul में भी दिखाया था, Off Duty से I've bought it. If you're looking for cargo jeans, do check out Off Duty. So yeah, moving on. I have this jeans to show you, not because it's mom fit but because of the color. This season the color you need to focus on is either colorful jeans or white jeans. I think colors, जो bold colors, pink, lavender, green, like I have one, pinks and whites are gonna be so in. So this is the time to invest in a good white jeans, any fit, not skinny. So a good white jeans would be a staple this season. Again whites की बात कर रहे हैं, so moving on to trousers, we have this white jeans from Zara and I love the gold buttons on this, looks so classy. and the length of this is also nice. Again, it has a nice parallel wide fit, so I really like this jeans. Moving on to the trendy styles. So again, trendy this season is gonna be pop of colors. So for pop of colors, I have this amazing wide-legged green jean. And guys, trust me, this does not look tacky at all. It looks so nice. I think pairing it with a white t-shirt, I would look so good. So I think investing in a colored jeans, if you are into that style, would be really nice. Personally for me, I would be returning this. I bought this because I thought it's going to be a toned down green. It's quite out there, but again, I love the fit of this, love the cut of this. So if I were more trendy, I would definitely keep this. Last but not the least, the trousers. One pair of trousers is a must this season. Forget jeans, forget everything. एक trouser, वो भी एक थोड़े different color में, be it yellow, a light lemon yellow, or pastel green, or pinks. You're gonna look lit AF. So my favorite pick of trousers this season is this adorable. I have already worn it once. You can see it's dirty. It's gonna be this one from Zara. Love the fit of this, love the color of this, highly recommend this. And if you pick this, and trust me guys, if you wear this, you're gonna look so different yet classy. So yeah, that's it for my trousers and jeans haul from Zara. I hope आपको पता चला कौन सी styles to go for this season. So again, I'm gonna repeat in case you've missed. The styles to go for this season are straight, split, white jeans, colors. Yeah, so I think these are the 4 keywords which you should look forward to. If you want to purchase these items, I will link them down below. If you want alternatives, I'll also have them down below. So thank you for watching this video guys, and I hope it helps you all in some or the other way. Again, I do not promote fast fashion, but I do like to invest in pieces that you can wear, you can get your use out of. So yeah, that's it for my haul guys. Thank you for watching this video. Love you. Bye bye.